It is November 5th, I believe, Monday, day before the elections, and we've got a cloud waterfall coming over those mountains. If you watch, you'll see it slowly coming over, sliding down. Shooting up over this closer hill. Joining a bigger stream there. And floating out over La Jolla where it dissolves. So obviously the prevailing breeze probably coming out of the south today. Sometimes I'd think I'd like to live up on the top there. It's a heck of a view. Both directions. It's probably just as beautiful out the other side because we're on a peninsula here. But the drive up there and the rougher roads and not ability to walk to the beach. Not having the ability. Because our beach is right down in that little cut there and we can walk there easy.